we're now going to move to a quick discussion in the chat. And we built this in also as a possible bio break for some of you. If you need to take a bio break, feel free to do so now. But we do have a discussion question designed and put together for those of you who are still here and engaging. And Nikki just put the same statement in the chat as well. So this question is kind of related to Svetlana's presentation earlier when she talked about human and AI teaming. So and she has she has a more sophisticated framework to look at different factors. But here we put together a quick and simple question for you. So if AI is framed as a partner rather than a replacement, and think about it in the context of AI teaming, you're collaborating with AI, and so some tasks will be shifted to the AI partner. So what tasks should remain uniquely human, and what can be delegated to AI? And we have about 4 minutes left for this quick discussion question. So we encourage the participants who are still here in front of a computer to think about this question and put some comments in the chat. Okay, Ken just wrote, any AI decision focused on an individual should remain with a human in the loop. That's a very good question and a very good answer. Yes. So if it is a focus on a human, and it should remain with the human in the loop. Rich also commented critical decisions with a question mark, critical decisions. Rich, would you be able to expand a little bit on your response? I didn't quite get.
Oh, sure. It was more in my first thought was like a quality assurance, right? And this is like the final quality assurance, right? Because you assume there's some level of quality assurance, but like the final steps, and when it comes to critical things, critical decisions involving, some moral values and things like that, legal and stuff like that, that you would want to have human involved, right?
Okay, got it. So you're thinking about the consequences. Is the consequences going to be big, huge, high risk, or critically important? Then you need human making the decision. If it's something a little bit more superficial, like summarizing meetings, like previously discussed, maybe there's lower risk, so it's not considered a critical decision.
Precisely, yes.
Okay. Excellent, excellent. Thank you for that.
Thank
And
you.
And Rob has a comment here. I love this question. Human verification as the trusted broker of information. Okay, for example, whether water, climate, and AI is an assistance. Yes, I think this is a good way to think about how we may adopt AI within the scientific workplace, is to always think about AI as an assistant, and humans still plays the role of verification. Thank you for that response. And Martin also has a response here, more pedestrian. Merging pull requests and final code reviews should probably remain exclusively to humans. That's a good point. Always having human supervisions and verification. And I see that Angela is back. Angela, we're doing the discussion chat in the chat right now. So Angela has to step out for our CI Compass fellowship program meeting, which overlap with this workshop. So, but she's back. Okay, so Benedict made a comment too. Human makes mistakes or miss things in code reviews. See all CVEs in history. That's a good point. So this really aligns with Rob's comment about AI being an assistant. Yes, humans will be verifying the AI codes at the same time. AIs can also assist and prevent and overcome some human limitation as well. And last comment here from Martin, true. That's why I wrote final code reviews. That's a good point. All right, so Angela, we are now at uh, uh, it's 10:55 Pacific time, so I think we're ready for the next speaker. Would you like to introduce the next speaker?